Hello YouTube, this is Daniel. Thanks for watching my channel, MaleWitch1982. I just wanted to do a quick video that has nothing to do with witchcraft or Wicca. I just figured in the Four Thieves video you probably heard some weird noises, and that would be Miss Tori. She's a 21-year-old African gray parrot. She's spoiled rotten. So, I just wanted to clear that up because I figured people would be like, well, what in the world was that noise in the background? She's dancing for you. But anyways, that would be Tori, and everyone have a blessed day. Blessed be.